So, good evening to everyone. This is Dr. R. Karthikeyan, Department of English, Anjalayamal Mahalingam Engineering College, Kovilvani. It's my immense pleasure to be sharing some ideas on English with all my friends at this particular moment through this video. I have more than 15 years of experience as a teacher in engineering colleges. I have identified many students who are telling always, Sir, I am coming from rural areas, I am unable to be a good speaker in second language. I always motivate my students to become a good speaker, to follow certain ideas in their life. I would like to mention the three important things are to be followed to become a good speakers in second language and also to be master in LSRW. I take the great opportunity now to be telling the three important ideas which will motivate definitely the students to be a good speaker and they can achieve a lot. As everyone understands, at this time, every company is seeking a person, a candidate, a student after completing their graduates in two different areas. If the students are skillful in their core part is nothing but, for example, if a student is mechanical engineer, he must be master in their core department. They must be somewhat skillful to be knowing of all those machines and other core areas. And other important thing, they must be able to talk in English fluently. Most of the students are memorizing or developing their skills by concentrating continuously of their core. But one area the students are unable to perform well is called communication. As I told you earlier, the students are maximum from rural areas need to follow the three components which I am going to tell here as definitely make the students to be skillful in second language. They can answer all the questions in English in the interview. They'll be able to talk something the language. They'll be able to answer the questions in the personal interview, in the face-to-face interview. Definitely, if they follow the three important components in their life. The first important thing what I want to mention here is reading. So among the four letters of LSRW, there are four letters we used to follow whenever we teach English, and we used to mention the students LSRW. Listening is the first letter. Listening, speaking, reading and writing. Among them, I insist my students to follow maximum to put effort to read a lot, because reading only make the students to be skillful in their areas maximum. So they need to spend at least 30 minutes every day at any one areas of their interest. Sometimes it could be a newspaper reading, sometimes it could be a textbook reading, sometimes it will be somewhat novel and other areas. It is not actually the matter of selecting what is going to be, but it should be only in English. They need to select what their interests, because without of interest definitely they cannot be familiar. So where they are interested to be selected, and they have to select and they have to read at least 30 minutes every day in order to be skillful in second language. If they continuously read the newspaper, there will be an impact. I definitely assure all the students, if you follow reading is actually the habit of yours, definitely you will have some development gradually, day by day. And what I want to mention at this particular moment, when you read any concept of maybe textbook, as I mentioned earlier, you must be able to identify the unknown words which you are finding in the newspaper or the textbook. If you identify an unknown word, the unknown word has to be written at somewhere, and with the help of a dictionary, just we need to identify the meaning. Identify the meaning, and knowing something, the matter about it is not actually the matter. After that, there is some work. What is the important work? The important work is nothing but we need to create minimum 2 or 3 sentences based on the meaning they found and also the word they identified place. If they write the sentences continuously, definitely there will be an impact. So this is going to be the first one. As I told you, reading is going to be the important thing. If the students are reading continuously, they'll see the impact, they'll see the development. So once they read it, they need to identify the unknown words which they find in the paragraph or any other areas. The identified meaning should be applied in a sentence. If you open the dictionary like Oxford, there you can find a number of sentences as examples. You could see in dictionary. So if you regularly follow that, definitely you will see the development in reading. And also it is going to be the key point of developing your spoken mode. The next important thing what I want to mention here is speaking with someone in English. So this is another important thing which I want to mention here. As I told you earlier, you have to concentrate 30 minutes in reading part and another 30 minutes minimum speaking with your neighbors, speaking with your friends, speaking with your family members, even they are not familiar in second language. Speaking with everyone in second language will be the most important thing of developing your second language. So most of the students are unable to talk in personal interview, they are unable to express the ideas, that because they are unable to get the expressions earlier. They were not provided number of opportunities earlier in school days and college days, so that they struggle a lot in the personal interview to be good in reply. So in order to reply all the answers in the personal interview, what they need to follow, the second important point is speaking with everyone in English. They should not bother about it, whether the students are understanding of, whether the friend is understanding or not, whether the family members are understanding or not. Don't see who is actually receiving the matter what you are speaking. Okay. If you worry about the people who is understanding or not, definitely you cannot speak it. Let it be. So the second important point, you need to speak with everyone 30 minutes at least in English. If you are starting at the beginning, you will find some difficulties with your friends and relatives, but later, after some days of your practice, definitely you could find some developments of your spoken mode. So this is actually the second point. And the third point, what I want to tell you here, identify the right pair who is going to give a company to you. Most of the students are nowadays communicating with their friends by using the WhatsApp and messages. They are using the mobile communication. The students are using somewhat the mobile language. For example, good morning, maximum the students are saying GD and MG. So these are the two abbreviations they are using to say good morning. Maximum students are not typing all those letters there. As a student, it is actually the right age of developing you. If you are minimizing the letter and if you are minimizing the words and vocabularies, definitely you cannot develop. So that the problem occurs at everywhere. So students always, whenever just you communicate with your friends by using WhatsApp or any other mode of your communication, you must be able to type all the sentences, words without any other missing. You need to use a subject, you need to use the verb, you need to use the object, and you need to use the parts of speeches. If you are continuously following that, definitely you will see the development. As I told you, you need to identify the right path. Some teachers are telling, you try to practice in front of mirror. Yeah, of course, that will also help you definitely. But at the same time, what I want to mention here, if you identify the right person who seems like you, if you identify the right person who seems like you will see a vast development in your area. If you want to achieve, if you want to be the good speaker in 1 year or 2 years, it will be achieved as early as possible if you are getting the right path, because that is actually the problem in the society. Even if you are trying to speak in second language, some people would criticize it. So don't bother about the criticism. If you bother about the criticism, definitely you cannot develop it. If you worry about the mistakes what you commit, you cannot develop it. If you are seeing the people who is standing in front of you, sitting in front of you, and then who is watching me, don't bother. If you bother about it, definitely you cannot have the development. So if you want to develop, if you want to be the good speaker in second language, you need to follow the three important things which I am going to list out one by one, the category. The first one is the reading. You have to spend reading minimum 30 minutes, and the second one is speaking with everyone in English, and the last one is identify the right pair who is going to give a good company to you in spoken. Unless and otherwise, if you practice, you cannot be the good speaker. If you practice regularly all of these three what I said here, definitely you will be the good speaker. You can become a good speaker and you'll be able to talk much in second language, and you'll be able to answer all the questions in the personal interview. And one more thing what I want to add here, if you start at the beginning of your undergraduate, maybe in the first year if you started, definitely you will see the impact, and also you will see the result when you are going to attend the personal interview in the final year, because you have enough time. You have enough time to practice. If you are regularly practicing it, definitely you can achieve it. Please follow. Thank you so much.